Welcome to Texas Motor Speedway in Fort Worth, Texas, and today's NASCAR Winston Cup race, the Samsung Radio Shack 500. Tell us about this track.
Finding the right spot to make a move at this track is tough, and doing it at the wrong time will cost you big in the form of body damage. A slip-up, even for a moment, can send you banging off the wall before you know it.
Bill Elliott owned.
About 2.5 seconds in front of you.
The 9 car, up high. Number 9, all over your back bumper. Way to get around him, buddy. All clear, buddy. Number 02, down low. Still there. The 02 car is still there. Number 02 is still there. Careful. Clear all around.
The leader's got you by 2 seconds.
Right side. Gain another spot. Okay, we're clear. The 25 car is down low. Contact with car 31. Clear all around. Number 40, up car is looking to pass. Car down low. Clear on both sides. The 6 car is getting in your way. Car high.
I'd like to see him stay back there. I think you can expect a little something in return for that.
10th place. All clear, buddy. Number 6 is going to make it hard for you to get around him. Car outside.
You're only 1 second behind the leader.
Clear. The 6 car made some contact there.
He's looking to settle the score.
Picked off another position. You're clear.
Be careful.
Trouble! We have trouble here on the rubber track as an accident has brought out the yellow flag as the field makes its way back.
Pace car is off. Waiting for a green flag to get this one back underway, and the green flag is out. Here comes the field, racing back into turn 1. We're back under action. About 1.5 off the leader.
Number 23 is all over your back bumper.
You let him by, he's gonna make things tough on you.
Number 21 is trying a block. Got one outside. That's a textbook pass there. Good job. Number 40 down low. Clear on both sides.
Keep him behind you if you can. Just 2 seconds back now, 2 seconds.
The 40 car is attempting a block. The 12 car up high.
Easy on the bumping, buddy. Don't let him by, but try not to hold him up either.
Clear. Number 6 isn't going to let you by easily. Car high. Okay, we're clear.
He's not gonna forget that one, buddy.
Number 19 is up high. The 19 car is looking right. Clear all around.
The leaders are about 1.5 seconds ahead. If he catches you, he might try to wreck you. He's got some revenge built up.
Number 21 is down low. Hey, that's running out of spot. Keep digging. The 18 car is up high. Clear. Number 15 up high.
Don't bang it up too bad.
You're clear.
About 1.5 off the leader. He's pretty much had it with you. surprised if he doesn't try something.
Got one high.
Be careful out there.
All clear, buddy.
You're only 1 second behind the leader.
Number 2 is down low. Number 15 isn't going to let you by easily. The 2 car is still there. You're clear. Going inside.
Ease up a little. Make sure you stay away from him for a while, buddy. He's ticked off something fierce.
Okay, we're clear. The 97 car is putting a block on you. Way to get around him, buddy.
Oh boy, he ticked off now.
Clear on both sides. Number 97 is getting in your way. Number 99 up high. The 99 car has got a run on you. Clear all around.
Work with the leader. Let's see if we can break away from the pack.
The 32 car just made some contact. The 38 car is down low. Clear. The 97 car is going to make it hard for you to get around him. Car outside. Okay, we're clear. Number 97 made some contact there. All right, buddy, we're in second. The 8 car is the leader. Number 8 is blocking. The 8 car up high. You're in first.
You're really making that car work.
Clear.
The yellow lights are flashing. Good fortune. Flag wave as this race has been slow to the ring out on the racetrack. The field makes its way back to the line, but we are under a yellow flag condition for debris.
Pace car is off as we get ready for a green flag, and the green flag is out. We're back underway. The leader leads the field down into the turn. Side by side racing in the back, and the car is trying to get back up front. He can try something if he catches you.
Number 8 is passing low. The 8 car is down low. Okay.
Don't be surprised if he gets into you.
You're in first. Number 8 is still there. The 8 car is still there.
He's looking to settle the score.
All clear, buddy.
Stay calm. No need to retaliate right now.
Got one down low. Number 8 made some contact. Lost the lead. Clear. The 32 car is outside. Contact with car number 32.
He's got some revenge built up.
All clear, buddy.
If he catches you, he might try to wreck you.
Number 20 is coming left. The 20 car down low. Number 20 made some contact. We're okay.
Whoa, look out for that guy.
Clear on both sides.
He pretty much had it with you.
is still there. Okay, we're back in second. The 97 car is getting in your way. You're clear. Number 97 is trying a block.
Take it easy out there. He may try to pay you back.
All clear, buddy.
You gotta take better care of that car, man.
The 97 car is looking left. Number 97 down low. The 97 car is still there.
I'm sure he's still angry with you.
Car looks okay. Number 97 is still there. You've got the lead.
Let's widen the margin.
Still beside you. Be patient. Still there. The 97 car is still there. Okay, we're clear.
If he catches you, he might try to wreck you.
Got one down low.
Settle down.
Clear all around.
He pretty much had it with you. He's got some revenge built up.
The 15 car just got into you. We dropped back a spot. Let's push it. All right. Number 21 is blocking. Number 31 just made some contact.
Race leader's got 3 seconds on you.
Clear. The 31 car is putting a block on you.
He pretty much had it with you.
Good pass. Clear on both sides.
Hey, we don't need a bad reputation. Let's be a little more careful.
Right side.
The yellow lights are flashing. Let's caution. Flag wave. Straight ahead in slow. 2-3 out on the racetrack. The field makes its way back to the line, but we are under a yellow flag condition for debris.
Forget about that one. We don't... The leader paces the field back as we get ready for a restart here. Green flag is in the air. They head down to turn number 1. Cars in the back try to race their way back up to the front. Meanwhile, the leader leads them down to turn 1. He can try something if he catches you.
The 15 car has got a run on you. Number 21 is going to make it hard for you to get around him. All right. You gained another position with that pass. All clear, buddy.
He's got some revenge built up. Leader's running about 2.5 seconds in front of you. We're on lap 50.
Car outside. The 21 car is down low. Number 19 is attempting a block. Pass 19 more. We got the lead. You're clear. The 19 car is up high. Number 19 made some contact. All clear, buddy. The 01 car is looking high. Number 88 is outside. Up another spot. Clear on both sides. The 6 car is going for the block. 20 car is putting a block on you.
Leader only has about a second on you.
Number 20 is blocking. The 20 car up high.
He pretty much had it with you.
10th place. 3 wide. Hold that line. The 1 car wants to get by you. Clear on both sides.
That was a little payback.
Number 20 now low. Got 1 high. Clear.
He can try something if he catches you. Work with the leader. Let's see if we can break away from the pack.
Got 1 outside. Gained another spot. The 97 car is blocking. You're clear. Nothing damaged. Keep digging, buddy. Number 97 up high.
He's got some revenge built up.
Going inside. Number 32 has got a run on you. Number 8 is outside. You're in 2nd place. All clear, buddy. Got 1 high. You're clear.
Just remember, he owes us one now. He can try something if he catches you.
Turn out low. Okay, we're clear. Number 99 now low.
I'd be real surprised if he doesn't try something.
Still there. Still beside you. Keep digging. The 99 car is right behind you. Number 99 is still there.
You might want to let him by. He's all worked up over something.
Stay focused. You get the lead back. Okay, we're clear.
He can try something if he catches you. You're only 1 second behind the leader. He's got some revenge built up.
The 99 car is going to make it hard for you to get around it. Run out low. Number 99 is still there.
Keep him behind you if you can.
The 99 car is coming low. Number 8 is attempting a block.
You've got the leader. Stay on his back bumper.
The 8 car is down low. Clear all around. Number 8 is throwing a block on you.
Try to keep him behind you.
Got 1 outside. The 8 car just hit you there. You're in the lead. You're clear. Car high.
Play nice.
The 97 car is putting a block on you. All clear, buddy.
1.5 off the leader. 20 now, 20 laps to go. Due to debris out on the race.
These cars off as we get ready for a green flag. And the green flag is out. We're back underway. The leader leads the field down to the turn. Side by side racing in the back as the cars trying to get back up front.
Leader's right in front of you.
Number 32 is going to make it hard for you to get around him. Trying to block you.
He may try to pay you back.
The 32 car up high. Number 32 got into you there. Up to third, buddy. You're clear. The 97 car is going for the block.
We don't want him getting beside us.
Got one outside.
We're right there. Let's see if we can lead this thing.
All clear, buddy. The 99 car is throwing a block on you.
And now caution. Caution. We're on the racetrack. Looking. Don't see any accident. Debris. We're hearing from the NASCAR official. Debris on the track and put us under caution here in this event.
Clear.
I'd like to see him stay back there. Pace car is off, the field bunches up, and we are back underway. Green flag is in the air on this restart, and the field races its way down towards turn number 1. Keep him behind you if you can. 10, buddy. 10 laps to go. You might want to let him by. He's all worked up over something.
Got one down left. Don't worry about the car. It looks okay. Number 97 is still there. Careful. You're clear.
I'm sure he's still angry with you.
The 99 car is trying a block. Number 99 is outside. Contact with the 99 car. You're in first. The 97 car is inside.
Trouble! We have trouble here on the front stretch as an accident has run out of the yellow flag. As the field makes its way back to the yellow flag, we are under caution here on the front stretch.
About 1.5 off the leader.
Pace car is off, the field bunches up, and we're back underway. Green flag is in the air on this restart as the field races its way down towards turn number 1.
Look out. 5 more laps. I think he's starting to not like you.
Number 99 is going for the block.
I'm sure he's still angry with you. Leader's right there. He slips up. Make your move. And now trouble on the front stretch. An accident has blocked the racetrack. We're under caution after an accident here on the front stretch and stacked up the field, and they'll be coming to the yellow flag.
The 99 car is blocking. on with a second place finish.